What's up, guys? Welcome to Kitchen, Tile, and Stone Ideas, Episode 1. We'll take a look at before and after photos and just give you a quick walkthrough on what material used for this kitchen remodel build. All right, let's start with the floor. We ripped out 12-inch by 12-inch ceramic tile and installed a 6 by 36-inch porcelain plank at a 33% offset. The floor turned out great. Used a tile leveling system, LevTech, for a superior flat, lippage-free install. We've got 30-year-old cabinets here. We sanded them down, taped them off, primed them 2 coats, and painted them 3 coats satin. These cabinets turned out great. Installed new brushed nickel hardware. They look new. They do not look like they're 30 years old. So it is possible to refinish kitchen cabinets without ripping everything out and replacing them with new cabinets. As you can see, everything looks brand new. Now these countertops are a Silestone cut for an undermount sink here. We installed this ceramic mosaic backsplash with chair rail, clean miters. You've got your sill here, nice and flat. We followed that chair rail around here. Chair rail on both sides. We'll take a look over here. Again, the backsplash turned out great. Chair rail on this side, clean tight miters. Installed a new decorative light. And there you have it. Kitchen, Tile, and Stone Ideas, Episode 1. Tell us what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.